morning, students. It's Nancy Caruso. Today we're going to be taking your abalone out to put in the ocean. So I picked them up from your school yesterday, brought them down here to the ocean, and we're getting ready to go out with all of our divers. So let me get the cooler out here. Have them all in here. Okay, so here they go. They're going out into the ocean. They're stuck on top of each other, so it looks like all one abalone. But they're going back into the ocean. We're going to put them in this bag here and take them down there with us. And there's 3 other abalone from another school that are going with them. These are from Westminster, and they're coming out with us. Okay, next stop, the ocean. The abalone names.
Yep. Are they able to tell them apart?
Yes, that was part of the deal, because observation, you need to learn how to...
That's hard.
Hi, my name's Wayne. I'm working here in Crystal Cove right now with Nancy. I've been working with her for, going on 13 years now.
Hello, Southgate Middle School. My name is Dirk. I've been working with Nancy since 2001.
Looking back, make sure no one's back there.
Okay, here's the abalone, Wayne.
Oh, thanks. Let me give those little suckers. Thank you, Nancy. We'll find a nice place for them. Hey, guys.